Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students and viewers, how are you? Hope all of you fine and feeling well. Dear student, today our topic is what is the structure and function of the cell? Every day, billions of your cells dead. More than 150 millions have died since the start of this lecture. Well, there are three common parts exist in cell. Number 1, cell membrane. 2, cytoplasm. 3, nucleus or DNA. Now, what is cell membrane? It is the selectively permeable membrane which allows certain material to pass through. For example, it allows essential ingredients to enter to the cell like water and oxygen. Cell membrane remove toxic substances out of the cell like carbon dioxide and waste product. Thus, cell membrane allows good products to enter to the cell and remove waste product out of the cell. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a thick jelly-like structure. It is provide shape to the cell. It means that different shape of cytoplasm, different shape of cells are due to the different shape of cytoplasm. All the cellular functions or cellular reaction take place in the cytoplasm. For example, protein formation occur in the cytoplasm, respiration occur in the cytoplasm, mitosis or meiosis occur in the cytoplasm. Secondly, all important organelles are present in the cytoplasm like mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes. Now, what is nucleus? Well, nucleus contains DNA and DNA is the booklet of information. This booklet of information is the blueprint of all the functions taking place in the cell. Secondly, nucleus is the control center of cell or king of the cell. It contains all the activities occurring within the cell. For example, nucleus control how cell should develop, how cell should survive and grow, how cell should reproduce, etc. Nucleus contains nucleolus. It forms ribosomal RNA or ribosomes. The newly made ribosomes are transported out of the cell through the nuclear pores, through the cytoplasm, where they can do their job. Now, what is ribosomes? Well, ribosomes are the floating organism in the cytoplasm. They make protein needed for the cell. For example, ribosomes make protein for the growth of cell. Ribosome make protein for the repairing of cell. Dear student, to learn the ribosomes and protein formation, we must understand endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes and smooth endoplasmic reticulum not contain any ribosomes. It means that smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not produce any protein because it has not ribosomes, but it produces lipid and cholesterol etc. Secondly, it does detoxification. It means that breaking down of toxic substances within the cell. Now, coming to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. We know that it contains ribosomes and ribosomes forms protein. Then what is the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? Well, it's helped the ribosome to produce protein. Secondly, rough endoplasmic reticulum pick are enclosed in protein in the vesicles. Now, what are vesicles? Vesicles are the trucks within the cell. Vesicles are the truck inside the cell. They transported substances within the cell from one part to another part. The protein formed by the ribosomes and packed by the rough endoplasmic reticulum is transported by the vesicles to the Golgi bodies, also from known as Golgi apparatus. Golgi is the name of scientists who discovered the Golgi bodies. Remember that Golgi bodies are the port of cell where things are collected, packed and exported. Golgi bodies receive protein from rough endoplasmic reticulum. It modifies the protein by giving them proper shape. For example, it will add lipid and carbs to the protein and change the shape of the protein, because shape of the protein plays a pivotal role and it functions. After the Golgi bodies will pick the protein and vesicles. Finally, vesicles of protein are delivered to the targeted destination. For both within outside of the cell. For example, Golgi bodies will send protein to the damaged part of the cell for repairing by the help of vesicles. Now, what is mitochondria? Mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell for instance or daily life. Powerhouse provide electricity or power to the city. Similarly, mitochondria provide energy to each and every part of the cell. Mitochondria contains also its own DNA, different from the DNA of the nucleus. Mitochondria cellular respiration take place. In mitochondria, cellular respiration take place. For example, glucose will combine with oxygen to release energy in the form of ATP, and carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product. Energy produced in the form of ATP by mitochondria is then transported each and every part of the cell. What is lysosome? Well, it is the digested part of the cell. It contains digestive enzyme. Here food is broken down. For example, like carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, proteins are broken down into amino acids. Finally, what is vacuoles? Well, vacuoles are called storehouse of cell because vacuole stores water, food, mineral salts, nutrients, waste product, etc. The size of vacuoles may vary in different organisms. For example, in animal cell there are many smaller vacuoles, while in plant cell there are only one and large vacuole. For more lectures, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.